Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhyam. I hope all of you are fine. So today in this particular video we shall be continuing the solutions, that is we shall be starting to solve the our chapter number 7, that which is based on algebra, and the name of the chapter is algebraic expression. So in the previous classes we have came to know what is an algebraic expression, then what are the there is coefficients of a term, then what are the that is like terms, unlike terms, then how many types of algebraic expression are there based on the term, that is for example monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, polynomial. Monomial was what, the expression which is one term, binomial was the expression which is two terms, trinomial the expression which is three terms, quadrinomial the expression which is four terms, and polynomial was the expression which is one or more than one term. So in a nutshell we can say that all these monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial all are polynomials. Okay, and we also came to know that the coefficients. Okay, what are coefficient? For example, let's discuss a bit. For example, 6x square. Okay, this is a monomial term. If I want to say that what is the coefficient, that is what is the numeral coefficient of 6, numeral means number. Okay, sorry, what is the numeral coefficient of x square? It will be what, 6. Okay, 6. And if I want to say that, if I ask you what will be the variable coefficient of 6, it will be what, x square. Okay, so if I want ask you coefficient of x square, it will be, the answer will be 6. If I ask you coefficient of 6, it will be the x square. Okay, so we will use that ideas to solve our first exercise, that is 7.1. so our our first question of exercise 7.1 is write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expression. Okay, write all the terms, write all the terms, write all the terms, write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expression, of each of the following algebraic, algebraic expression. Okay, so in this question what we want, what will be the our that is our answers. We have to know, we have to write the terms. Okay, so what was term? Term was a combination of variable and a constant. Okay, term is a combination of variable and constant. Okay, and two or one or another term is connected with what, is plus sign or minus sign. Okay, term is connected with one another with plus or minus sign. Okay, so let's write first expression, which one is 5x to the power 4, 5x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x plus 7. Okay, so what is, as I told you, term is connected, one term is connected to the other term with plus and minus. Okay, so which are the terms here? Here 5x cube minus 3x, then 2x and 7, all the terms. Okay, so we'll write solution. The terms are, we'll write like this, the terms are 5x to the power 4 minus 3x cube comma 2x plus 7, like this. Okay, so let me solve another one, and the remaining you will solve. Next one is a cube minus ab plus b square, a cube minus ab plus b square. Okay, so we'll write the terms are what, first one is a cube, then second one is minus ab, then comma b square. square. Okay, if it has minus sign, you have to write the minus sign. Okay, because this term is negative, you have to write this. Okay, and if it is plus, no need to write the plus, because without writing also we can know this is positive. Okay, if we don't write anything, it seems that this is positive. Okay, and if you don't write, and if there is negative, okay, look, there minus ab is negative, then here 3x cube is negative. If it is negative, we have to write, okay, that it is a negative term. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is question number 2. Write the constant term in the following expression. Okay, what is a constant term? Okay, these terms are what? These are the, for example, this is a variable term. Okay, that is its value may different. Okay, its value varies. Okay, its value will vary, but this 7 is what? Constant. Why? Because it has a fixed value. Okay, because it has a fixed value. And for example, I have told you 5x to the power 4. If value of x changes, the value of the term will change. Okay, so this is a variable term. Okay, but 7, value of 7 will never change. If you go to another planet also, the value of 7 will remain 7. Okay, so now let's move to question number 2. Write the constant term in the following expression. Question is, write the constant terms. Write the constant terms of the following expression. Okay, write the constant term of the following expression. Up to this clear? Okay, so the first one is x cube x square minus 8. Number 1, x square minus 8. So here which one is the constant term? It is minus 8. Okay, so we'll write the constant term. The constant term is what? Minus 8. Okay, next one, let me solve another one. X square minus 4x. X square minus 4x plus 7 by 9. So which one is the constant here? It is 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is the constant. That is, its value will never change. Okay, its value will never change. So here also we'll write the constant term. The constant term is 7 by 9. Okay, like this. That is the term which doesn't have any variable. Okay, the term which doesn't have any variable is the what is constant term. Okay, but if a term has any variable, we, for example, this 4x minus 4x, this is a variable x, isn't it? So this term will be what? A variable term. Okay, but like this, here minus 8, here plus 7 by 9, they don't have any variable. Okay, they don't have any variable literal. So these are the what? These are the constant terms. So like this you can solve the remaining 2 questions. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 3. Here question 3 is, identify the monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and from the following expression. So there are, I think, 10 expressions. Okay, 10 expressions. From this we have to identify which one is monomial, which one is binomial, which one is trinomial, and which one is quadrinomial. Okay, so which one, let us discuss. Okay, let's discuss with this expression also. So what is a monomial expression? Monomial expression, it is what? Monomial expression are the expression which is only one term. Okay, monomial expression has one term. Okay, here you will not find any plus or minus sign. Okay, here you will find only one term. Okay, binomial expression is what? Which has 2 terms. It may be either connected with one term, may be either connected with plus or minus sign. Okay, trinomial, the expression which has 3 terms. For example, which this expression is what? This expression is what? Monomial or binomial? This is one term, this is another term, so this is what? Binomial. Okay, and this is what? This term is what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial. Which one? Monomial, binomial. This, look, one term, 2 term, 3 terms, so it will be trinomial. Okay, so let me write the equation first. Identify the monomial, binomial. Okay, like this. Identify identify the monomial binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial. Okay, quadrinomial expression. So this one is what? This one, number one. For example, this is not in the book. For example, I am explaining. This is what? Binomial expression. So we will write it is binomial. So we'll write binomial. Binomial again, because binomial. This one is what? One term, two term, three term. It will be what? Trinomial. So like this, if you find an expression with one term, you will say it is as monomial. Okay, let us write an expression with one term. Number 3, 7x cube. This one is what? This one is monomial. Okay, monomial. Okay, this one is what? Monomial. Okay, and let us write one quadrinomial. Okay, quadrinomial. X square plus y square, x square plus y square, then minus z square plus 1, minus z square plus 1. Look, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is known as what? This is known as quadrinomial. Okay, QUADRINOMIAL, quadrinomial. This mono means what? Mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3, quadri means 4. Okay, so if you find any term having one term, that is, if you find any expression having one term, it will be what? Monomial. If you find having two term, it will be binomial. If you find an expression having three terms, it will be trinomial. If you find an expression having four terms, it will be what? Quadrinomial. Okay, like this you can solve any expression, that is, you can identify any expression. Okay, okay, now let's move to our next question, that is question number 4. Okay, here question 4 is write down the coefficient of x in each of the following. Okay, write down the coefficient of x in each of the following. So we have to write the coefficient of x. Okay, so what will be the coefficient of x? It will be what? Numeral value, isn't it? Numeral. Coefficient of x in each of the following. So let us write the question first. So write down the coefficient of x in each of the following. FOLLOWIN. Okay, write down the coefficient of x in each of the following. That is what we have to write. We have to write the coefficient of x. So first one is what? Minus 2x. Number 1, minus 2x. So what is the coefficient of x? It is what? Minus 2, isn't it? So we'll write coefficient of x is minus 2. Okay, finish. Next one, coefficient of that is 15xy cube. Okay, 15xy cube. Look, 15xy cube. Okay, so we have to find the coefficient of x. Okay, what will be the result? Will it be 15 or 15y cube? It will be what? 15y cube. Okay, if anything asks that find the coefficient of anything, okay, you will just remove this number or lateral, that is, or letter. Okay, what I want to say that if you are asked that find the coefficient of this, so you will just remove that one. Okay, you will just remove that one and the remaining will be the coefficient of that. Okay, for example, here it is said that find the coefficient of x, isn't it? So I will remove here x. So what left is what? 15y cube, isn't it? So our answer will be what? Answer will be 15y cube. Okay, so we'll write coefficient of x is 15y cube. Okay, okay, okay. Next one, My okay, let me try another type of question. That is 7 minus 3 by 2x. Okay, 7 minus 3 by 2x. Okay, so here this is what, binomial or monomial or trinomial? This is binomial. Okay, because two term. Okay, so we'll not bother about this term, that is 7. Will not bother about, rather we'll bother about this term, that is 3 by 2x. Okay, 3 by 2x. So what is asked? It is coefficient of x. So I'll just remove this coefficient of x. So what left is this one also will not bother about. Okay, this one also will not bother, rather only this term. Okay, only this. So here coefficient of x, what left? Minus 3 by 2, isn't it? Minus 3 by 2. So we'll write coefficient of x is minus 3 by 2. Coefficient of x is what? Minus 3 by 2. Okay, like this. The next minus 5 by 9 xy plus 7. Let me try another one. Minus 5 by 9 xy plus 7. Okay, so what will be the coefficient of x? It will be what? Minus 5 by 9 y. Okay, because x is in this term, isn't it? X is in this term, so we are not bothering about that. So just remove x. So left portion is what? Minus 5 by 9 and y. So we'll write coefficient of x is minus 5 by 9 y. I hope this is clear to you, right? What is the coefficient of what will be the not coefficient of which one, isn't it? So let's now move to our next question, that is question number 5. Okay, here the question 5 is what? Change the following algebraic expression to statement in what? Okay, here it is given, for example, algebraic expression is given. Now we have to change it into its what? That is here expression is given, we have to convert it in what? Statement. Okay, statement. We have to convert it into the statement. So first of all, let us write the question and then we'll try to solve. So number 1 is what? Change the following algebraic expression. Question number 5. Change the following following algebraic algebraic expression change the following algebraic expression into two statements. Two statements in words. Words. Okay, we have to convert the algebraic expression into the statement. Okay, so number 1, x minus y. So what can you say here? X minus y. Okay, so you can say that what? Y is subtracted from x. You can say this, y is subtracted from x, because here y is x minus y means what? Y is subtracted from x, isn't it? You can say this one also. Difference of x and y. Difference of x and y means what? After subtracting two number, the result is known as what? Difference. Okay, so it will be what? Difference of x and y. Also you can say y is subtracted from x. You can also say, so let's write the both. Okay, we'll write the both. So solution number 1 or number A, y is subtracted, subtracted, y is subtracted from A. Okay, or number B, difference of difference of x and y. Okay, both one you can write. Okay, now you choose which one you want to write. Next one is 4x and y. 4x plus y. Okay, number 2, 4x plus y. Okay, so it is what? X plus y means what? Sum of x and y, isn't it? Like this here, difference of x and y. x minus y means difference of x minus y, x plus y means what, sum of x and y. Okay, sum of x and y, and here 4, so we'll write 4 times of sum of x and y, finish. Okay, so we'll write solution or answer 4 times 4 times of x and y. Okay, we'll write here 4 times of 4 times sum of x and y, 4 times sum of x and y. I hope you have understood how to solve such type of questions. Okay, so let's discuss another one. Next one is 7y plus 5, number 3. 7y plus 5. So 7y means what, 7 times y, and plus 5 means what, 5 is added to 7 times y, like this you can say, isn't it? 5 is added to 7 times y. Okay, 5 is added to 7 times y. Up to this clear? Like this you can solve every one. Okay, let us solve another one. 2a minus b. Okay, 2a minus b, number 4. 2a minus b. B is subtracted what, here b is subtracted from 2 times a. So we'll write here b is subtracted, subtracted, b is subtracted from 2 times a. Okay, b is subtracted from 2 times a, you can say this one. Okay, or you can say that difference of 2 times a and b. Okay, you can write this one also, difference of 2 times a and b, difference of 2 times a and b, difference of 2 times a and b, you can say right this one also. Okay, so the next one, okay, these I hope these are the different types of expressions. So let us discuss each and every one. Okay, so the next is what, x by y minus 6, x by y minus 6, what, number 5, x by y minus 6. Okay, so what can we say, that x by y minus 6, the x by y, look, when we divide one thing with other, for example, when we divide a number with other, the result is what, the result is quotient, isn't it? The result is a quotient. The number with which we divide is known as what, divisor. The number which we divide is known as what, dividend. Okay, and our result is what, result is quotient. Okay, so here after dividing x and y, the result will be what, the result will be quotient, isn't it? So right, quotient of x divided by y is, that is 6 is subtracted from the quotient of x and y. Okay, so what I told you, what will be our expression, 6 is subtracted from the quotient of x and y. So we'll write it, 6 is subtracted, 6 is subtracted, SUBTRACTED, 6 is subtracted from the quotient, QUOTIENT, from the quotient of x and y. Okay, from the quotient of x and y. So the remaining questions you can solve yourself. Next is what, 7 is 3mn plus 7, that is the product of 7 is added to the product, 7 is added to the 3 times product of m and n, like this. Okay, next one is ab minus a plus b, that is difference of product of AB and sum of AB. Okay, difference of product of AB and sum of AB, or otherwise the last one you can say that like this, that I am talking about AB minus A plus B. Okay, that is sum of AB is subtracted from the product of AB. You can say write this like this also. Okay. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is question number 6. Here question 6 is identify the like and the unlike term. So what was like term? Like term was what? Like term, the terms having same that is variables. Okay, same variables are known as like terms, and the terms don't having same variables are known as unlike terms. Okay, so we'll write, I hope you know what is like and what is unlike. So we will discuss 2 to 3 questions here also, and the remaining you will solve yourself. Okay, so number 6, identify the like terms. Identify, I-D-E-L-T-I-F-Y, identify the like and unlike. Identify the like and unlike terms. Okay, identify the like and unlike terms. Number 1 expression is minus 5xy. Number 1 minus 5xy, then 3xy square, 3xy square, then 3x square y, 3x square y. Okay, so how to find the like and unlike terms? Okay, look at the expression carefully. Okay, here the terms, that is number first term is minus 5xy. Okay, for like and unlike terms, what we have to think? We have to think about the variables. Okay, not about the numerals. Okay, so here is xy, that is xy. Okay, here is what? X comma y comma y. Okay, and here it is what? X in or x comma x comma y. Okay, so are all of them same? Are all of them same? First one is xy, second one is x comma y, third one is x comma y. You may think how this y comma y came. Look, y square means what? Y into y, isn't it? So I just written, okay, y comma y. Okay, so all of them are different, isn't it? All of them are different. So what we'll write? We'll write all of the terms are unlike terms. Okay, so we'll write all of the terms, all of these terms are unlike terms. Okay, all of these terms are unlike terms. Okay, let's solve another one. Next one is 3a, 5a, 7a minus 6a. Number 2, 3a, 5a, then 7a, comma minus 6a. Okay, so as I told you, for like and unlike term, we have to think about the variables. Okay, so here what is a. Okay, we don't no need to think about these 3, 5, 7 and 6. Just think about the variables. So all of them are same, isn't it? Because all of them have a. So right, all of these are like terms. All of these are like terms. I hope you have understood how to find like and unlike terms. Just look at the variables. Okay, if the variable is same, then it is a like term. If the variable is different, then it is unlike term. Okay. Next one, 5x 7y 3z. This will be what? 5x 7y 3z. This will be what? Unlike terms, because all of them are different, isn't it? Next one, question number 5. Okay, 9ab square. Okay, let's solve that one. Number 5. Okay, 9ab square minus 4ab square comma ab square. Okay, look, ab square, all the terms are here, ab square, isn't it? All the terms are here ab square. Okay, so these are like terms. So write all of these are like terms. Okay, all of these are like terms. If if it was here ab to the power cube, then what, this will be what, unlike terms, and these terms will be what, like terms. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to identify which one is like and which one is unlike terms. So let's move to our next question, that is question number 7. Okay, identify the like terms in each of the following. That is, here we have to, in our previous question, what previous question was identify the like and the unlike terms, isn't it? But in this question we have to just identify the like terms. Okay, like terms. So question number 7, identify the like terms in each of the following. Identify the like terms. Okay, identify the like terms. Like terms in each of the following. Okay, in each of the following. In each of the following. Okay. So our number first term is what? First term is 3x square minus y square. Okay, number 1, 3x square, comma, then y square, then comma, then x minus x square minus x square, comma, z square. Okay, so which one are like terms? Like terms are the terms which have what? Common variable. Okay, same variable. So here like terms are, we'll write like terms. Like terms equals what? 3x square and minus x square. Okay, and all these are what? These are unlike terms. Okay, but in question we have to just find out the like terms. Up to this clear? Okay, so the next one is what? 2ab minus bc minus bc. Let's write the question. Okay, 2ab minus bc, comma, minus bc, comma, sorry 2ab minus bc, comma, 4ac, I think 6a, comma, minus 4bc. Okay, so here the like terms are what? Like terms will be what? Look, bc same. Okay, bc same, so will be like terms equals what? bc, comma, minus 4bc. Okay, these are not like terms. Okay, because these have a and these have both a and b, and these have only a. Okay, these have only a and these have both a and b, so this will be unlike terms. Okay, like terms is what? bc, this one also is bc, and fourth one also is bc. Okay, like this you can find out the like terms. Okay, so now let's move to our last question of our today's class, and the last question of this exercise also. Give the algebraic expression in each of the following cases using variables, constants, and arithmetic operation. Okay, so we have to find out the algebraic expression. Okay, so no need to write the questions here because the question is long one. So just start. Let's start the solution. Okay, let's find out the equation. Number 1. Okay, question number 7. Number 1. Okay, here what? Equation is what? Sum of the squares of x and y. Squares means what? For example, squares means any, for example, 2 square means what? 2 to the power 2. So here it is, what is given? Sum of the squares. Sum of the squares. Squares of x and y. Okay, so x square means what? Square of x will be x square, y square, and a sum. Finish. Sum of x square and y square. Finish. Then number 2. Okay, product of x and y subtracted from 9. Product of x and y. PRODUCT. Product of x and y. Subtracted and from 9. Product of x and y. Product means what? When we multiply two numbers, the result is known as what? Product. Okay, so here we are multiplying x and y, isn't it? So product of x and y, x into 1 means x and y. Product of x and y subtracted from 9. Okay, so it will be 9 minus x and y. Okay, not xy minus 9. If it was xy minus 9, then it would be written that 9 is subtracted from the product of x and y. Okay, from means what? From means 13. Okay, so So here product of x and y subtracted from 9. So from 9 we have to subtract the product of x and y. Okay. Next one, number 3. Five less than the product of x and y square. 5 less than the product of x and y square. 5 less than the product of x and y square. Okay. So product of x and y square will be what? 5 less than the product of x and y square. So x product of x and y square will be what? Then 5 less than the product, then minus 5. Finish. Okay, see it is what? 5 less than the product of x and y square, isn't it? 5 less means what? We have to subtract 5 from the product of x and y square. So we have subtracted 5 from the product of x and y square. So like this you can solve, and the remaining you can solve yourself also, and if you don't, please ask me, we will discuss in our next class. So before that, stay safe, stay blessed, tata, bye bye.